Morning, morning, guys. Happy Monday. Morning. Let's see what we have here today. So, like always, you guys can see what I'm looking to trade on my Discord. Also, my levels for SPY, the Q, and my watchlist. So check it out. The link is down below. Whoa, meta very strong. Let's see. We have SPY kind of holding, the Q trying to hold. Let's see if it's gonna hold Friday's low or if it's gonna reject there. How you guys doing? Morning. CRM and pull back to 240, 242 or 244 could be a good entry to play the gap. We'll see. Morning. I'm watching Tesla, AMD, CRM. I think Tesla, it doesn't give me a pullback to Friday high. I think it's gonna be too late for me to enter Tesla. I'm watching this level here on the Q. If the Q can hold Friday's low, that could be a quick scalp. If rejected, that's a scalp to the downside. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia and the Q are pretty much looking the same. Morning. Yeah, Tesla's gone. Morning. Okay, I kind of like that Q hold above. Do we have any data coming up? I like that Q move is holding Friday's low, breaking the VWAP. SPY is looking definitely weaker than the Q. I like that meta hold above 499, 500. Let's see if we have any data today. I know there's a bunch of things this week, right? I think so. 30. We have one Fed speaking at 2. And we have consumer container. Okay. No data today. Thank you, Debbie. Okay. So we had the Q, Nvidia having trouble around Friday's low. SPY is kind of in the middle of nowhere. Meta's booming. I honestly was expecting Meta to bounce, but not that hard, that fast. What do I recommend? The one that I recommend right now is the 150. The 150K. Account is the best one based on prices. Only $40 the eval and $85 after you pass is $85 one-time fee for the PAs. So you cannot get a better deal than that. Morning. Watching 240 for CRM. Let's see if 240 is gonna hold. That Friday is low. We want to see that holding. Oh, the Q is rejecting here. Kind of weird opening, not much happening. The Q kind of choppy. SPY is not doing anything. Apple is right at support. 207. I will say 207.50. $206.80, 207. That's a very strong support on Apple. If it holds here, it's gonna bounce to at least 210.50, 212. Microsoft is looking weak. CRM looking pretty weak. AMD is weak. Ugly reaction of Tesla. Let's see. I still don't feel comfortable trading to either side here. Why is Meta moving so much? Meta had any news? Like that reaction there on the Q. Ooh, and Apple is reacting. 207. Oh, how's earnings coming up? Nope, no earnings coming up on Meta. Nope. I think it's a technical bounce because if you guys see the daily, Meta was pretty much on a bullseye. I want to see the Q losing 478. That will be my entry. Is this little support here, this Monday last week low. Let's see, it's right there. It's like 478.18 or something like that. Yeah, 478.12, kind of around there. like that reaction there on the Q. Going short here. It's a little bit late. I think it's a little bit late, but I like that it lost the support here. And also I like that Nvidia is rejecting Friday's low. We'll see. I think it's a little bit late, but we'll see. And just I came today with a little bit short bias just based on the weekly candlesticks on SPY and the Q. I want to see the Q keeping it under Friday's low. Will be beautiful if you can keep it under Monday low. No puts on the Q. I don't trade the Q. I trade NQ and I'm short. So basically those are kind of like puts, but I'm short on futures. Let's see how it's gonna react on this pre-market low. Okay, I like that. Beautiful. I'm gonna buy one, so holding one runner. So I wanna see the Q rejecting this level here. Apple is fighting that support. That is not gonna help me. Microsoft is also at support. If I see it holding this low, I might get out. We'll see. Okay, now SPY is looking pretty weak. Yep. It's under pre-market low. It is kind of weird because Apple is holding very good. It's fighting this 207 support. Microsoft is fighting Friday low. It's holding there. Meta is very bullish. The only thing that I see that is very, very bearish is Nvidia out of the big ones. Let me check how is Google. Google is kind of bearish but not moving much. And Amazon, it's bearish. It's rejecting 190. Okay. We have SPY. I want to see a SPY reacting this level here. And I want to see the Q losing this little level here. CRM at 240. I want to see it holding there. If it cannot hold 240, the next one it's around 236.80 and then 235. But I think if CRM can really hold 240, that's a good entry for longs or calls. Okay, I'm out. I don't like that bounce. I don't like how Apple is holding. Apple is holding too much. Morning. Morning, Tim. Yeah, we have Meta with the boom boom. Microsoft holding too good, and Apple is holding support also. Let's see how these 30-minute candles are gonna close on SPY and the Q. SPY looks, based on the 30-minute candle, SPY looks a little bit more bullish than the Q. The Q looks weaker with a reaction here. 240 holding so far on CRM. Tesla's too late for me to enter. CRM is the one that I'm looking. For a weekly contract, you guys know that I'm holding a bunch of CRM for the end of the month and also for the end of next month. Okay, so freaking Q, fake me out there. I'm kind of tempted to enter long on CRM. I just don't know if I want to go against what the Q is doing because Nvidia is dying. That was a beautiful, beautiful Nvidia reaction of Friday's low. That was perfect. Sadly, I got to stop out here, but I got to stop out here because I had a bad entry. Meta's right at resistance. Okay, I'm going long on CRM 242.50 weeklies. It's a little bit risky because again the market is going lower, but I like that 240 hold. Okay, so Spy. If we want to play long on Spy in the queue, is Spy is the one that is holding very good. If we want to play a short, it's the Q because it's been weaker than Spy. The 30-minute candle on Spy is looking pretty bullish. The 30-minute on NQ, this is an indecision candle so far. Those CRM contracts move so good. Already up 9%. Damn, Spy. That's Apple. See, Apple, like I said, is holding that Monday low. Held Monday low and Friday low. Yeah, Apple's looking pretty bullish. If you guys see the daily, that could easily be a bull flag. I don't play Apple. I don't like playing Apple's contracts, but I like watching it only to know what's the next move, so I can kind of know how Spy the Q might move next. Maybe that Spy. Also, if you guys are on my Discord, you can see the level that I have on Microsoft. That was Friday low, 446.50. That was a perfect entry to play the bounce. Perfect entry there. Let's see if the Q is gonna break the VWAP. That will be very bullish, and maybe it's gonna go for the gap. It has a little gap here above to Friday's close. Whoa. I don't use EMAs. I use only the VWAP. And that is obvious. Honestly, guys, don't really rely on any indicator. Just trade levels. Levels and candlesticks. Hey, let's see how Spy is gonna react to Friday high. So the plan that I have on CRM is, okay, I'm holding long-term contracts, right? But every time I trade like short-term contract, like last week, like I'm doing right now, that it's gonna make my long-term calls pretty much free. And it's gonna be way easier for me to hold those long-term calls for most likely the entire move to the upside and fill in the gap. Okay, important level here on Spy. Let's see how Spy is gonna react here. You have my name right here, right there. Andrea, it's my name. Anyone got that CRM 240 bounce with me? It's looking super good. So I'm watching. I think my next trade is gonna be if Microsoft can break all-time high. Or I will say 451. If it can break and hold 451, that's another entry to play longs. And SPY, if it can break Friday high and use it as support, that's another entry to play longs here on SPY. The Q could be another good one. It's holding the VWAP. I like that hold on the Q. With Apple being bullish and Microsoft being bullish, I don't love how Nvidia is moving. I think Nvidia looks like it wants more downside, but who knows? Because it has a very small range between support and resistance. I'm gonna try this Q long here. Yeah, I like this Q hold of the VWAP. Let's see if the Q is gonna go for this little gap here. 480. Okay. We're gonna have a little bit of resistance around here. You can see around this level, the Q had a lot of support, might act as resistance today. Well, yeah, the main level is gonna be 480. That's Friday's close, and that's the entire gap fill here. SPY needs to break Friday high. It's fighting there. It looks like it wants to. I think if Apple and Microsoft keep going higher, definitely it's gonna help SPY breaking this Friday high. My favorite right now is CRM. CRM is that 240 retest. Retest was perfection. And for the Q, as long as it keeps holding above VWAP, I'm bullish. And I'm gonna hold this trade. Come on, Q. Boom, boom here. Go. Okay. We want to see a SPY holding it. Holding it here. Microsoft going for all-time high. It's at 450. Needs to break 451. Yeah. Okay. That was beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm all out here. I like this play. I'm good. That's over 30K, so pretty good. 480. Next resistance here on the Q. If can hold 480, that's another entry to play the upside. Whoa, Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft, it's at all-time high again. 451. I want to see it breaking and then retesting it. Watching AMD also. AMD retested the 158 level Friday's low and held there. If can really hold the VWAP, I think AMD, it's a good swing to the upside. I think AMD, as long as keeps holding 158, it's pretty bullish. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna buy AMD 2 weeks out because I think AMD has a lot of potential to move. Now let's go with weekly. Today is only Monday. I got the 160. Again, this is another one that I had on my watch list. You guys have that level on my Discord. How many contracts on futures? I traded on each trade. I bought 2 per account. SPY. So 547 is the next level to watch from SPY. Microsoft is breaking all-time high. Your entry is waiting for a retest and showing you that it's that previous all-time high. It's gonna act as support now. Morning. So far, we have a very good morning. Very good morning. Yeah, we have a very good morning. I'm pretty much done. I think I'm done. Just gonna watch how CRM, AMD are gonna move today or for the rest of the morning. And yeah, pretty much done. Okay, so that was the retest of Microsoft. I'm not gonna take it because I already have two plays open, but that was the retest of Microsoft. It gave you a perfect 451 retest. What a mess is Tesla. I have a kinda a YOLO trade that I already entered, but I'm waiting a little bit to tell you guys what's that play, because I think it can pull back a little bit more and we can have a better entry. But yeah, it's a very cheap stock with a lot of potential. So I don't think I'm gonna talk about that one today because I want to see it pulling back, which it's doing right now. But yeah, it's kind of a YOLO, but I don't think it's a YOLO. It's just like a very, very cheap stock. I have two. In fact, I have two. Whoa. Okay, guys. GME, GameStop is looking so bullish. Just watch the daily there. How are... Ooh, the contract is super cheap. Yeah, DME 25. I got it for next week. Okay, and I got that one because I like the daily. So my stop loss is gonna be under 22.70. This is not the one that I was talking about before. But I like this. Look at this. So the daily, I want to see it holding this level here. So this low, that's Monday from 2 weeks ago, I think. And Tuesday low. Is this a weird flag here? I think so. Even if I take out these, I think they have a lot of potential to boom boom. So yeah, my stop loss is gonna be if loses this Tuesday low or Monday low, I'm out because my trade is not longer valid and most likely it's gonna go to 20. Okay, we have the Q fill the gap. The Q fills the gap. But yeah, like all with DME, it's a high risk trade, but I don't think it's a high risk right now because the contracts are very cheap. It's not like the IB is like 200, like always. But it's kind of YOLO, so... But you guys know what's my plan. Okay, gap fill, rejecting there. I want to see CRM holding the VWAP. Yeah, I have an alert on Palo Alto at the beginning of the gap, so I'm not trading that one unless it's going near the gap. I want to see a break and retest inside the gap. That's my play on Palo Alto. Ooh, I haven't checked our swing from last week, Microsoft swing. Let's see how much up are those ones, because I held Microsoft because Microsoft, with the market selling off on Friday and Thursday, Microsoft held very, very good. And as long as Microsoft keeps holding 451, I'm gonna hold those calls. There's no reason for me to sell those ones. All right, deep in the money, looking beautiful. Those are over 100% up. They're 100% up. Just go to the daily and you'll see the gap. It is a huge gap on Palo Alto, just like the CRM gap. Very easy to spot. Okay, so clear rejection here at 480. How you guys doing so far? Green? Red? Blue? White? Ooh, Tesla. Ugly Tesla reaction there. I want to see CRM and AMD holding the VWAP. Levels work so good. Look at that perfect reaction here. Reaction at 480. Perfect reaction here at this 547 level. That's why I love trading with the weekly, watching the daily chart. It's so easy to spot like clear support and resistance watching the daily time frames. That's awesome. Congrats. Combine, but that's good. Green is green. Green is green. This could be another opportunity, but I don't love it. I honestly don't love. I don't know. I don't feel like I want to trade the upside on the Q, even on SPY. Even though SPY it's very strong today, I still don't love the upside based on the weekly chart. The weekly, well, now the weekly looks very bullish on SPY, but not on the Q. The Q needs to break this weekly high, this weekly close for 80.20 to be really bullish, because for me so far it's bearish on the weekly. Again, unless it breaks 40, I will say 481, a little bit above. No, 481. I will say 481. We can see the Q filling this long wick here at the top, pretty much what SPY looks like it wants to do. But this reaction here pretty much looks like this candlestick pattern that I always show you guys that I love to trade. This one here, right? Bearish pin bar at the top. So yeah, this is why I don't really like, I don't see me trading the Q to the upside. In fact, it kind of looks good for a swing trade on the Q to the downside with a stop loss above, I will say 481. Should we try that? I can play one contract here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That also could help me it's kind of like a hedge against my Microsoft, CRM, AMD calls. $4.78 for the end of the week. Again, it's not like an A+ setup, but I do like it. The risk to reward there is very good. My stop loss is gonna be 481. Again, it's not an A+ setup because like if I see it right now, the Q is holding the VWAP, which is bullish. SPY is looking pretty bullish. We have Apple looking pretty bullish. Same thing with Microsoft. Doesn't matter how many contracts I bought. That is gonna affect your trading. Just your 100% focus should be on the setup. Is it good or bad setup? Are you willing to risk your money on that? Doesn't matter how many contracts I'm buying. It's a risky trade. That's all I'm gonna say. So far, the market looks bullish. It's 20 seconds behind. That's why I always explain everything that I'm looking to trade before I take anything. Also, you guys have my plan pre-market on my Discord, so no, I don't trade. I never check the futures charts. I never tag ES and NQ. Ever. It looks like it's gonna play out. The Q is losing the VWAP. Nvidia is very good. If Nvidia loses morning low, it's gonna die here most likely towards 118, 117. And Microsoft, it looks like it wants to go under all-time high. I took profits on the Microsoft swing. If it goes under the VWAP, I'm gonna be all out. Yeah, I just think like I in the morning when I wake up, the first thing that I do is like check the market, and I always start doing my like analysis, my watch list, watching the weekly chart, right? And when I saw this weekly chart on SpanDQ, I was like, ooh, we gotta be very careful here playing the upside. Like I can see the market getting tired there, right? It's a clear rejection candle on the weekly. So the bigger the time frame, most likely the bigger move we're gonna have. And look at the Q. The Q is starting to look exactly like the candlestick pattern that I show you guys. I think that's my favorite pattern to trade. And it's extremely easy to spot and very easy to trade. Okay, let's see if Microsoft is gonna hold the VWAP. If not, I'll be all out on my swing. And I'm not looking for the Q to do this exactly move today. I'm just gonna hold it for the entire week, this Q put. Let's see. I want to see if it's gonna go to at least 471, maybe fill the gap, who knows. But I think as long as it keeps rejecting, it's under 481, it's bearish. It's under 481, it's like 481, I'm sorry, 480.22 around there. But I'm gonna put it as 481 because I prefer round numbers. Even if the market move higher, I'll be careful, at least swing trading. It'll be like day trading, scalping. Even if the Q breaks 481, that will be pretty bullish, and most likely it's gonna try to move back up to all-time high, but I'll be very careful playing the upside if that happens. Apple is super strong today. Microsoft holding the VWAP, but it's having trouble at all-time high. Tesla looking ugly. AMD is doing nothing, but it's holding above 158. Oh, it's only 10:30. I thought it was like 11:30. We finished pretty much like in 20 minutes. At least I did. I finished pretty much on like 20, even less. I had a pretty good day today so far. I'm having a very good day so far. 2 quick trades. Super happy with those 2 trades here on futures. I'm gonna wait and see if I want to take profits on Microsoft, be all out, or I'm gonna keep holding here. And CRM as Lona keeps holding today's low, above today's low, 240. We're good. I'm gonna hold. You guys are watching the new season of House of the Dragon? It's like last night episode was a little bit boring. It's been a little bit boring. I think I'm gonna wait for like a few weeks to see like at least 4 or 5 episode at the same time, because watching, I think Netflix kinda like make me no wanna watch anything that it's like having 1 episode per week. Thank you for being here. No problem. We could have here a Head and Shoulder on the queue. Maybe. SPY is definitely very bullish. Gave us a perfect break, retest, held the VWAP. Looks like it wants to go higher. And that is all Apple. I want to see AMD breaking 161. Come on. Oh, this? Yeah, it's a big one. Nvidia alone? Good luck. Okay, AMD moving. No, it's not 1 liter. It's just like my face, right? Really small, and my hand too. So it looks bigger for you guys, but no, it's not that much. So AMD needs to break 162 to really push higher. Okay, AMD trade, it's over 20% up. That's good. We don't have much here. Other than this entry was the one. This entry. The Q is doing nothing. The morning made fake out under Friday low, bounce back hard, and then filled the gap and did a gap close reversal, and now it's just playing around here, not doing much. This is now a support. Let's see. We have Apple reacting, Nvidia reacting, Meta reacting, same thing with Microsoft. CRM holding the VWAP, AMD trying to boom boom. Definitely looking like a head and shoulder here. Okay, Microsoft lost the VWAP. I'm all out on that swing. Super happy with that one. Okay, I think Microsoft, as long if it goes back down to 446, retest that level and hold, I think it's still bullish. But I think I'm happy with my Microsoft trade. I think I'm done, guys, for today. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep trading here. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with my futures trade. I'm trading with a bunch of PAs and evals. Working on passing a few 150k Apex evals. And I'm holding 250k's PAs. Yeah, trying to take advantage of the $85 one-time fee for the PAs for the 150s and the 250k accounts. I think right now the best accounts on Apex are the 150k accounts, only $40 for the evals and the $85 for the PAs, one-time fee. Like, nothing better than that. So yeah, pretty happy with this. We made some money on the downside, on the upside. I'm gonna hold AMD as long as I keep holding 158. I'm gonna hold CRM weeklies as long as I keep holding above 240. I'm all out of Microsoft, locked profits there. The GME trade, my stop loss is under 22.70. It's holding very good. Love this one. I think can easily go to 30 if really like bounce. Based on what I can see on the chart, it could go to 30 easily, even 48. But yeah, so you guys know what I holding 3 different plays: CRM, AMD, GME. Oh, 4th, and this QQQ puts looking beautiful so far. So looking beautiful so far. Yeah, you guys know what's my plan here also on those QQQ puts. Beautiful morning. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, make my breakfast and going to a gym. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, and remember to like the video.